निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कारणम त्रिविधम, समवायी कारणम, असमवायी कारणम, निमित्तम। हाँ स्वामी जी, तंतु संयोग इज व्हाट? द्रव्य गुण कर्म सामान्य विशेष समवाय अभाव। Read and tell me. Everybody is thinking. Tantu sanyogaha is what? What is sanyoga? Sanyoga is guna. How many gunas are there? Sanyoga is guna or not? How much thinking? It must be something new only out of the seven. Somebody says some vishesha, kuch, whatever. Sanyoga is, it is already given. Tantu sanyoga. Tantu sanyoga is what? Guna. Tantu rupam is what? Guna. Asamvayi karanam will be guna or karma. Samvayi karanam will be dravya. असमवायी कारणम विल बी गुण और कर्म. सो सिंपल. अभी इसका खंडन करो. मैंने आपको व्याप्ति दे दी. ये आपने नहीं पढ़ा होगा पहले, इसलिए आपको झटका लगा कि अरे मैंने तर्क संग्रह पढ़ लिया और ये वाक्य ही नहीं आया और यहाँ ये स्वामी जी ने बता दिया. तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि पहली बार में सब कुछ प्राप्त हो जाए. कहीं कुछ नया भी मिल सकता है. यू कैन ऑलवेज लर्न समथिंग न्यू. ओके, ठीक है. तो असमवायी कारणम गुण कर्म. इफ यू रिमेंबर how the sanyoga vibhaga takes place in karma. 5 steps we had given, right? What is the first thing? Kriya. Means karma. Then vibhaga. Then purva sanyoga nasha. Purva sanyoga nasha. Then uttara sanyoga. Then kriya nasha. So their karma becomes asamvayi karanam. It is asamvayi karanam for this sanyoga vibhaga. Okay, further let us see. So this portion, because it is slightly different, and vishesha. In vishesha visheshadau ativyapti varanaaya karanam. If karana pada is not given, then there will be ativyapti in vishesha. Tad ubhay bhinnam karanam nimitta karanam. Yatha turi vemadikam. Turi vema are two different. Patasya निमित्त कारणम. Turi is, when they make that whatever is the nimitta which is not part of the cloth. When you buy cloth, what doesn't come is all of these things. टीका में एक इन पदकृत्या वन लाइन वी हैव टू सी। यस्मात् कारणात् करणत्व घटकम कारणम उपदर्शितम। करणत्व घटकम कारणम, करणत्व घटकम कारणम। वेर इन विच डेफिनेशन? करणत्व घटकम कारणम कुत्र? असाधारण कारणम कारणम। करणत्वस्य घटकम कारणम, षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास। करणत्वस्य घटकम कारणम। करण का एक घट क्या है? घटक क्या है? कारण। उपदर्शितम तस्माद् एतत् त्रिविध साधक मध्ये। त्रिविध समवायी कारण, असमवायी कारण, निमित्त कारण। त्रिविध साधक मध्ये यत् साधकतमम, that all three are sadhaka. See, you need all three for any karya. But what is the most important? Sadhakatamam tadeva karanam. That will be called asadharana karanam, means karanam. Iti karana prapanchaha. Karana prapancha, karana vistaraha samaptaha. पदकृत्या yesterday's line. तदेतत् त्रिविध कारण मध्ये यद असाधारणम कारणम तदेव कारणम। लक्षणम तदेतत् त्रिविध कारण मध्ये यद असाधारणम कारणम तदेव कारणम। सो तत् एतत् त्रिविध कारण मध्ये तत्कारणम, एतत् त्रिविध कारण मध्ये यद असाधारणम कारणम तदेव कारणम। तीन तो कारण है, देर आर थ्री कारण, बट व्हाट इज असाधारणम कारणम? ओनली दैट विल गेट द संज्ञा कारणम, एवरीथिंग एल्स विल नॉट गेट। नाउ प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण लक्षणम। तत्र प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान कारणम प्रत्यक्षम। प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान कारणम प्रत्यक्षम। प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानस्य कारणम, कारणम मीन्स प्रमाणम। प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान का प्रमाण है, उसको कहा गया प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण। मतलब प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान का जो कारण है दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणम। प्रत्यक्षम मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणम। तत्र तत्र
तत्र इति प्रमाण चतुष्टय मध्ये।
प्रमाण, हाँ वेट, प्रमाण चतुष्टय मध्ये। सो देर आर हाउ मेनी प्रमाणस? 4. अमॉन्ग देम प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान कारणम प्रत्यक्षम। सो देर आर 4 प्रमाणस। प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान, उपमान, शब्द। 4 प्रमाणस आर देर। अमॉन्ग देम प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान कारणम प्रत्यक्षम। फर्दर रीड।
दंडादि वारणाय ज्ञान इति।
If it was said pratyaksha karanam pratyaksham, not jnana karanam. Danda is karana, yes, it is pratyaksha, yes, but it is not jnana karana. ज्ञान का कारण नहीं है, it does not produce ज्ञानम, knowledge. वो दंडादि वारणाय ज्ञान कारणम, ज्ञानस्य कारणम, प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानस्य कारणम इंद्रियादि, इंद्रिय से ही होगा। इंद्रिय ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान करणानि। फर्दर रीड।
अनुमान अनुमानादिवारणाय प्रत्यक्ष इति.
Anumanadi Varanaya. So, if it was said Jnanakaranam Pratyaksham, Jnanakaranam Pratyaksham, then what would happen? Ativyapti in Anumana, because Anumana is also Jnanakaranam. Upamana is also Jnanakaranam. Anumana is Jnanakaranam or Anumiti is Jnanakaranam? Anumana is Jnanakaranam. So there would be Ativyapti. Tad Varanaya Pratyaksha iti.
Swamiji, Anumana also has Pratyaksha as its requirement.
Yes, but it is not considered as Karana there. We will come to that. Pratyaksha Prama Lakshanam. Aduna Pratyaksha Prama Lakshanam Uchyate. इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्षजन्यम ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम. इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्षजन्यम ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम. इंद्रिय अर्थ सन्निकर्ष जन्यम ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम. Every word is important. Okay. Indriya means Jnanendriya. Artha means Vishaya. Indriya Vishaya Sannikarsha. Sannikarsha means some kind of sambandha is needed. How many? So there will be 6 types of sambandhas. Okay. But you understand some kind of sambandha. Sannikarsha is there and it should be Sannikarsha Janya Jnanam. So it should be Janyam Jnanam. What is the difference? What is not Janya Jnanam called? Both are wrong. Pratyabhijna is Janya Jnanam. Atma Jnanam is Janya Jnanam. Atma Jnanam is Satyam Jnanam Anandam Brahma. Which Atma Jnanam? Here we are in Tarka Sang, Nyaya Darshan. अब क्वेश्चन जब क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ तो व्हाट इज नॉट जन्य ज्ञानम अदर देन जन्य ज्ञानम व्हाट ज्ञानम इज देयर नित्य ज्ञानम व्हाट इज नित्य ज्ञानम इज नॉट जन्य ज्ञानम स्वामी जी यू आर आस्किंग सिंपल क्वेश्चन आई थॉट इट इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा आई थॉट इट इज अयथार्थ ज्ञानम कोई कुछ बोलता है कोई What is not Janya Jnanam? Because we need that. When you read Padakritya, then you will know why Janya Pada is given. Nitya Jnanam is not Janya.
What is that Nitya Jnanam? Which one is
It will come. So, Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janyam Jnanam Pratyaksham. ज्ञानाकरणकम ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम ज्ञानाकरणकम ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्षम ज्ञान अकरणकम ज्ञानम ज्ञान अकरणकम मीन्स ज्ञानम करणम यस्य तज्ज्ञानम तज्ज्ञानम ज्ञानकरणकम ज्ञानम करणम यस्य तज्ज्ञानम ज्ञानकरणकम न ज्ञानकरणकम ज्ञानाकरणकम ऐसे करना पड़ेगा न ज्ञानकरणकम Either you can say Ajnana Karanakam or Jnana Akaranakam. Because the Vigraha that we want is Jnana Akaranakam. Or Jnanam Na Karanam Yasmin Tad Jnanam Jnana Karanakam. Jnanam Na Karanam or Akaranam Yasmin Tad Jnanam Jnana Karanakam. Means what? Jnanam is not Karanam. What is that Jnanam called? Pratyaksham. Pratyaksha Jnana Pratyaksha Prama. Jnana Lakshana is a Prama. This is Prama Lakshana. Pratyaksha Prama will be where Jnanam is not Karanam. Means what? Just understand. Anumanam is Prama. Anumiti is Prama. Anumiti is Prama. Anumiti requires Jnanam.
Yeah. Okay.
Anumiti requires Jnanam as Karanam. See, Pratyaksha requires, Pratyaksha requires Indriya. But Anumiti requires Vyapti Jnanam. So it is a Jnanam. It is Jnanajanya Jnanam. In Tattvanusandhanam we have seen. Anumiti is Jnanajanya Jnanam. Which Jnanajanya Jnanam? Vyapti Jnanajanya Jnanam Anumiti. Shabda Jnanam. Shabda Jnanam is Pada Jnanajanya Jnanam. Vakya Jnanajanya Jnanam. Shabda Jnanam. So it is Pada Jnanajanya Jnanam. If I don't know the Pada, if I don't know the Vakya, I will not have Shabdi Prama. Shabdi Prama requires Pada Vakya Jnana. That's why Tattvamasi, if you want to understand, you have to understand what is Tat, you have to understand what is Tvam, you have to understand Asi. Then you also have to understand Jaha Lakshana, Ajaha Lakshana, so many things. Without which Tattvamasi Jnanam is not possible. So Shabdi Jnanam, Shabdi Prama requires Anya Jnanam. So it is also Jnanajanya Jnanam. Anumiti is Jnanajanya Jnanam. Shabda is Jnanajanya Jnanam. Upamiti? Which Jnanam? Sadrishya Jnanajanya Jnanam. Upamiti is also Jnanajanya Jnanam. Sadrishya Jnanajanya. So you see, out of the four, other than Pratyaksha, all the three are Jnanajanya Jnanam. Vyapti Jnanajanya Jnanam Anumiti. Sadrishya Jnanajanya Jnanam Upamiti. Pada Vakya Jnanajanya Jnanam Shabda. Only Pratyaksha is not Jnanajanya Jnanam. So Jnanam is not Karanam. That's why it is called Jnana Karanakam. Jnanam Pratyaksham. It is given in bracket in all books, but the bracket is not needed, but it is important point to note. Jnana Akaranakam Jnanam Pratyaksham. ज्ञान जिसमें करण नहीं है, इंद्रियां ही करण है, ज्ञान करण नहीं बना. तद्विविधम निर्विकल्पकम सविकल्पकम चेति. प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम द्विविधम, निर्विकल्पकम सविकल्पकम. We will see what is all this. Okay, let us see Padakritya.
इंद्रियं चक्षुरादिकमर्थो घटादिः तयोः सन्निकर्षः संयोगादिः तज्जन्यज्ञानं प्रत्यक्षम् इत्यर्थः.
तज्जन्यम ज्ञानम और तज्जन्य ज्ञानम.
तज्जन्यज्ञानं समझ.
Okay. We have samasa vigraha. So tajjanyam jnanam pratyaksham. Indriyam chakshuradikam. Indriya is what? Chakshuradi. Artha ghatadihi. Artha is ghatadi. Indriya is chakshuradi, artha is ghatadi. Tayoho sannikarsha. Their sannikarsha. Tayoho dvayoho. Chakshuradi ghatayoho. Sannikarshah. Sannikarsha is of different types. So Sanyogadi, they have given only one. We will see what are the different Sannikarsha. Sanyogadi. Tajjanya jnanam or tajjanyam jnanam pratyaksham. This is, so janyam jnanam is given. Okay, further. Read further.
सन्निकर्षध्वंसवारणाय ज्ञानम् इति.
सन्निकर्ष ध्वंस वारण. सन्निकर्ष ध्वंस. सन्निकर्ष means any संयोग. So that ध्वंस is there. ध्वंस सन्निकर्ष जन्य. ध्वंस is also सन्निकर्ष जन्य. Because Sannikarsha Dhvansa. Ghata Dhvansa is Ghatajanya, because you need Ghata to produce Ghata Dhvansa. Ghata Nasha will come only when Ghata is there. So Sannikarsha Dhvansa will come only when Sannikarsha is there. So Sannikarsha Dhvansa is also Sannikarsha Janya. Okay. And Indriya Sannikarsha Dhvansa means nasha. Something is there, let us say, is in my Sannikarsha. Now there is Sannikarsha Dhvansa. Okay. So Indriya Sannikarsha Dhvansa is Indriya Artha Sannikarsha Janya. So their Lakshana will go if Jnana Padam is not given. But when Jnana Padam is given, then Sannikarsha Dhvansa, in that Ativyapti will not happen. Why?
Abhava.
Because Dhvansa is Abhava. It is not Jnanam. Dhvansa is Abhava. So by putting the word Jnanam, Lakshana will not go in Dhvansa, because Dhvansa is Abhava. Lakshana need not go there. Okay.
Anumiti adding.
You don't, okay, don't split. As Anumityadi Varanaya.
Varanaya Indriyartha Sannikarsheti.
Anumityadi Varanaya Indriyartha Sannikarsheti. So, if it was given Jnanam Pratyaksham, then Lakshana will have Ativyapti in Anumiti, etc. So, Ativyapti Varanaya, what is said? Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janyam Jnanam. So, Ativyapti will not be there. Further, read one more sentence.
Nanu sopanetra chakshusha katham padartham grahanam.
Nanu sopanetra chakshusha katham padartha grahanam. Sopanetra, Upanetra means chashma. So, three people are already having sopanetram here. Sopanetram. Upanetra means glasses, spectacles. So there, Indriya Artha Sannikarsha is not there because something is there in between. Artha is there, Indriya is there, Upanetra is there. Nanu Sopanetra Chakshusha Katham Padartha Grahanam. Swamiji, read now. आगे.
चक्षुषा उपनेत्र निरुद्धत्वेन पदार्थेन सह सन्निकर्षभावः कथं वा सच्चाहनवीसलीलावृत
कथं वा
सच्च जाह्नवी सलीला आवृतं तस्य देशचक्षुषा ग्रहणम् इति चेत् न.
So that second part is कथम वा स्वच्छ कथम वा स्वच्छ जाह्नवी सलिल आवृत मत्स्यादेहे चक्षुषा ग्रहणम इति चेत. दिस इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. चक्षुषा उपनेत्र निरुद्धत्वेन. The chakshu is covered by the upanetra. Chakshushaha. Chakshush शब्द is there. Chakshushaha is कौन सी विभक्ति है? Which विभक्ति? षष्ठी. हाँ, षष्ठी. चक्षुषाः. उपनेत्र निरुद्धत्वेन. चक्षुषः उपनेत्र निरुद्धत्वेन पदार्थेन सह सन्निकर्ष अभावात्. पदार्थेन सह सन्निकर्ष मीन्स कांटेक्ट. So something is there in between. Where is contact? This is Purva Paksha asking a question. This is one question. Or katham va swachha Jannavi. Jannavi is Ganga ji. Jannavi is not pure. Swachha is pure. Swachha Jannavi. Ganga ji is there. In Ganga ji, Jannavi Salila Avrata Matsya Dehe. Matsya is there, some fishes could be there. हम तो देखते नहीं हैं जहाँ. हाँ, ठीक है. हम तो जाते हैं तो सब चले जाते हैं. तो स्वच्छ जल, अभी तो स्वच्छ जल नहीं है. राइट नाउ द वाटर इज वेरी मडी. बट व्हेन इट इज क्लियर वाटर लाइक इन April, etc. or January also it will be more clear. But at that time, Matsya Darshana is obstructed by Salila. So there is no Indriyartha Sannikarsha. So that Jnanam will you call Pratyaksham? Because there is something in the middle. Katham va Swachha Jannavi Salila Avrita Matsyadehe Chakshusha Grahanam iti chet. Up to this is Purva Paksha. Na. हाँ, read. हाँ, अम्मा आप नहीं. हाँ.
न स्वच्छ द्रव्यस्य तेजो निरोधकत्व अभावेन तत् अन्तः चक्षुः प्रवेश संभवात्. न स्वच्छ द्रव्यस्य तेजो निरोधकत्व अभावेन. उपनेत्र इज स्वच्छ द्रव्य. स्वच्छ सलिल इज स्वच्छ द्रव्य. दे आर द्रव्य. उपनेत्र इज विच द्रव्य? पृथ्वी द्रव्य. एंड दिस इज जलम. स्वच्छ द्रव्यस्य तेजो निरोधकत्व अभाव. स्वच्छ द्रव्य इज नॉट ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग तेज. तेजो निरोधकत्व अभावेन तद अंतः चक्षु प्रवेश संभवात्. तद अंतः चक्षु प्रवेश. चक्षुरिंद्रिय इज एंटरिंग इन उपनेत्र और स्वच्छ जल और एनी सच. ग्लास इज देयर, लेट अस से. यू कैन सी ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द ग्लास.
चक्षु प्रवेश संभवात्. See what is given? तेजो निरोधकत्व अभावेन चक्षु प्रवेश संभवात्. चक्षु प्रवेश संभवात्. What do you understand from this? Tell me if there is anything hidden which you can get from this, which you have already studied in Tarka Sangraha, from this line.
Rupa of getting is from Teja. Teja, we can find out Rupa by Teja. Means Teja Amsha. Chakshu is, means Surya is the Desha. Then that will be Teja because of that direct projection.
So Chakshu is, see, if you open earlier page number 10 in our book, those who have the PDF, other books I don't know what is the page number, but you see, what is the Teja? How many, see what is the Teja Lakshanam? What is that? Swamiji read? Ushna Sparshavat Tejaha. Then Tacha Dvividham. What are they? Nityam, Anityam cha. So Nityam is Paramanu Rupam and Anityam is Karya Rupam. That Anitya is Punaha Trividham. Sharira Indriya Vishaya Bhedat. In that, what is Indriya? Indriyam Rupagrahakam Chakshuhu. So what is Chakshu? Tejaha. Chakshu is Teja. That is the main thing. Chakshu is Teja. So that's why what is said here, Chakshu will be able to see. Earlier he said Teja is not obstructed by Swachha Dravya. Okay. And then he said Chakshu can go. Means Chakshu is Teja. So Teja can go, Chakshu is Teja. Therefore, Chakshu can go through it. This is what he said. Swachha Dravyasya Tejo Nirodhakatva Abhavena Tad Antaha Chakshu Pravesha. Means Teja Pravesha Sambhavat. Nacha, I will read now. Nacha Ishvara Pratyakshe Avyapti. Okay, you read. Okay, finish. Ishvara Pratyakshe Avyapti iti na cha vachyam. Somebody will say Lakshan will not go in Ishvara Pratyaksha. Why? Because Ishvara's jnana is nitya. This is why, so Siddhanti says there is no problem, there is no avyapti. Ishvara jnana is nitya or janya? Nitya. Lakshana that we are making is for janya jnanam. So janya jnanam lakshana will not go in nitya. What is the problem? My question is janya jnanam lakshanam will not go in nitya jnanam. What is the apatti? What is the dosha? There is no dosha. Lakshana is made for janya jnanam. Janya Jnana Lakshana does not go in Nitya Jnanam. If I make Prithvi Lakshana doesn't go in Akasha. What is the problem? It is not supposed to go. So Janya Jnana, this is what I was expecting the answer. You guys were thinking. Janya Jnanam Lakshanam does not go in Nitya Jnana. See, that's what he said. Nacha Ishvara Pratyakshe Avyaptihi iti Vachyam. Atra Janya Pratyakshasya eva Lakshitatva. Only Janya Pratyaksha is Lakshita. Lakshana doesn't go in Nitya Jnanam, which is not Lakshita. अलक्षण में लक्षण जाएगा तो क्या दोष है? अरे अलक्षण में लक्षण और अलक्षण में लक्षण नहीं जाएगा तो कोई दोष नहीं. तो नित्य ज्ञान में लक्षण नहीं जाए तो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.